First step of the day. I always take out the garbage. Look at this. What wood wall guy doesn't have a industrial size dumpster at their house? Walking to the shop in the morning. Shop/workout space in the morning. A nice cup of coffee. Got a Zoom call with friends this morning. Every wood wall guy knows the proper way to start our day. Let's get that heart rate up. And what gym is not complete without a barbell with walnut weights? Pretty cool. All right, let the workout begin. All right, upstairs, need to take some measurements so I can get the correct amount of wood. Here's the first accent wall, the 6-inch premium, which turned out nicely. I'm gonna redo that. It's a similar product, but we always gotta change pictures up, so new picture there. Had to move the trains and racetrack off the ping pong table. Removing this accent wall yesterday's my daughter, which is really nice. Her name is Porter. Here's the material there. I actually saved the majority of it and putting the new accent wall there. I'm gonna stop saying stop saying I'll just make a pause. Hardest part here is we put the accent wall on first and then put the baseboards on. So I gotta go through that and Dremel it off, or, you know, not Sawzall, but roto zip it off. No big deal. But that's where we're at. So I'm gonna put the gray barnwood on there. I need to take some measurements, make sure I have enough. If not, I'll gather some today. All right, nutritious smoothie in hand. Dog wouldn't let me leave without taking him. Recheck for straps, or recheck the straps, excuse me. That's good, secure. This white thing's on here so I can see it easier in my rear view camera. Hooked up. Jacks up, made that mistake a few times. Don't you guys say, oh yeah, this ain't going anywhere. So this will all be turned into wallboard. So that's part of my trip today, is to go to the sawmill and have them start processing this. So it looks like we're all loaded. I got that little nice strap there because there's no, what do you call it? What the heck? Well, I got that because there's no bar underneath there because the tires. So I got that, works out really, really nice. I got the load secured independently as well, and then strap over the top, which I've learned through experience. And I'm about 2.5 feet out with one of these boards here. And you actually don't need a flag unless you're 3 feet over. Tennessee law, I've learned that. Lubed up the hubs as well, got 2 new tires. We're good to go. What do you think, Bruce? You ready? Say yes. Okay. All right, feels like a Monday today. I got 2 straps here that aren't tight enough. Here's the first one, second one, third one. I'm not sure who put those on there, but that's why they got a rear view mirror, I guess. All right, we're all buttoned down, ready to go. Back on track. Getting some great MPGs today, baby. 14, let's see how that holds for the rest of the trip. Not bad, pulling a 3,000 pound trailer in probably, I don't know, 3,000 pounds, so 6,000 pounds or so, it's fine. Getting there. Yeah, I know, my dash is lit up like a Christmas tree. Welcome to Ford country. All right, I've never seen a rest area I didn't like. I'm drinking this gallon of water a day, so that's 128 ounces. So I've already got, 40 in or so for the day. It's before 9 o'clock. So first break for the day. That's just part of it. Here I am, Billy Big Rigger. All right, next stop for the day. On my way to the sawmill. There's an auction happening in a couple weeks here over in East Tennessee. Looking at, I don't know, scoring a deal like everybody else. Looking potentially for a brush cutter. These brush cutters are, I think, 72 inches. So I'm looking for a low flow 60-inch brush cutter, I believe. And then possibly looking at, I don't know, a Mini X as well. This place is loaded. It's the mother load. crazy. Never knew this place was here. So I'm gonna come back from my first auction in a couple of weeks. See if I can score a deal. Next up, getting boxes at our warehouse to bring to one of our suppliers. Big day, big day. Should walk you into here. This is just a small fraction of what they got here. So they do a good job labeling everything, keeping it clean. All right, we're at the shipping label now, or shipping department. We ship it all. You see the boxes going out. This is all of our traditional barn wood at 46 inches. We do have some antique wood. It's like some mineral poplar going out today as well. And we ship it out in bundles of 3. So this is how the donuts get made. As mentioned, picking up boxes. Living that flatbed life. Good. Yep. All right, we're all loaded up, ready to go again. We're secure. Make sure this stuff doesn't come off there. Thick barnwood, baby. Get that off of there. Thick barnwood. Off we go. At the sawmill, looking at my lumber. My stuff there. My stuff there. Still has some logs. Some of that's mine as well. Some of mine there.
He's just a little man. Just a little man's all right.
At one of the sawmills now. Look at that lumber. Sawmills aren't the prettiest place, but they produce some really good stuff. All right, back at the warehouse, our supplier shipped us about 100 bundles that are loose. They weren't in a box. So what I'm doing here is taking the wood and putting it in a box and taping it. A little bit of everything today. Look at that good looking stuff too. This is the underside. And they banded it for us too. Nice. Looks good. Look at that. Real good stuff. Oh yeah, perfect. This will be real nice. All right, that's what I'm gonna do the next little while here. I gotta take a box out, make a box, put the wood in the box, tape the box, stack the box, shrink wrap the whole pallet. It's the life. I got what I could done today. Off to get the kids.